To change the sensor PCB on the ARA-X4, you first need to open up the outer casing of the device and remove 6 small screws. Next, remove the transparent clip that holds the sensor PCB in place. There is one small screw at the bottom that you will need to remove. Gently remove the sensor PCB from the case. You may feel some resistance from the connection ports. Carefully wiggle the sensors to remove them from the PCB. Take your new sensor PCB and reattach the sensors, pushing them gently back into place. Make sure to line up the pins on the bottom of the sensors with the connectors on the PCB board. Carefully go back through the previous steps to put all of the components back into the device.